Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin with WeChat Pay? Let's make it happen. First up, create a free account on Paxful. Sign up and verify your identity to unlock all features. Next, select Buy Bitcoin from the main menu. Set your spending amount and pick WeChat. Pay as your payment method. Now find a vendor. Paxful will show you a list of sellers who accept WeChat Pay. Be sure to check their reviews and ratings. Choose a vendor and review their trade conditions. Some might ask for a selfie with ID or a screenshot of your WeChat Pay funds. Once you're set, complete the trade by following the vendor's instructions. You'll receive your Bitcoin in your Paxful wallet once payment is confirmed. Remember, buying Bitcoin on Paxful is peer-to-peer, so you're buying directly from another person. Exchange rates can vary, and there are small fees involved. For security, use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid scams. By following these steps, you're ready to buy Bitcoin with WeChat Pay on Paxful. Happy trading!